Are you still wobbling in your lunges? Your sneakers might be the problem. Most have thick, squishy soles that mess with your balance. That's why I recommend barefoot shoes, to feel the ground and stay stable. Now, I'm gonna show you how to fix these 3 common mistakes when doing lunges. First mistake, the knee shoots past your toes. When this happens, it puts pressure on your joints and not your muscles. To fix this, you want to step far enough so your front knee stacks right over your ankle, whether you're going forward, reverse, or staying in place. For example, for the stationary lunge, you want to keep your feet split and drop straight down. For the reverse lunge, you want to step back, then drop your back knee down, not your chest. And for the forward lunge, you want to step forward, plant your heel, and push back to start using your glutes. For the second mistake, we often see people driving from their toes. This kills your balance and even glute engagement. To fix this, you want to push through your heel, especially on the front leg. That's what engages your glutes and stabilizes the move. And last mistake is leaning too far forward. This shifts the weight into your knee and throws off alignment. If you want to fix this, you want to keep your chest up, ribs stacked over your hips, and core tight like you're bracing for impact.